Hey, it's Stewie here from Stewie's Adventures. Welcome to the second series of our sailing adventures. So for those who have been watching my videos before, you notice that we do a lot more four-wheel driving, but just recently we've come across this little yacht, having a bit of fun with it. And yeah, so today is all about the kite. Well, it's a peaceful morning. Cockies over there. There's a guy working on his boat over there. I got my coffee. It's way too hot. What a cracking morning. Interesting sort of day. I've never done this before. This is a brand new one for me. This is in the bucket list to put a kite up. Let me know in the comments if you've put a kite up in your boat. Okay, so we're just testing the sail out now. Just make sure it works okay. We'll set the halyards up and the sheets. That's it. So there's not a lot of wind in the marina here. Beautiful sail. Look at that. You haven't left the boatyard yet. Look at that. How cool is that? So we're just about to put the Spinnaker up, and this is the first time I've done this. I've got the hard job of just steering the boat. The breeze is really light. Glenn's just attached the Spinnaker pole. He's just pulling that one out as well, that sheet out as well. Did you want more of that? That's actually a green rope, not a not a yeah, it was green once upon a time. It's a beautiful day for it. There's your main. So I think we're just about ready to go. Here we go. I'll try to film this, steer the boat and help with the halyards and the sheets. Alright, let's get it all out there. You watch this. You watch this. It's got the whole lot going there. Here we go. Here we go. I'm just sitting watching what Glenn does. So where do you want me, mate? Come on. There we go, look at this. Look at that. Holy hell, Glenn's done it. So where am I heading, mate? Is the main in the way?
Yeah, not at this stage.
Maybe I'll go back this way. No, go back the other way. There we go.
Keeping on that heading.
It's actually not easy, you know.
Do
you want to bring the left port around?
What I might do is put the pole out on the other side.
Alright, we got it up. Finally, it's been a bit of an ordeal. Yeah, that is back to front, that other thing, isn't it? And it's absolutely beautiful. So we're lucky enough to have a tall ship come past us. It's a beautiful day. The kite's up. 294, I don't know what the numbers mean, but anyway. There's the one and all. No, it's done well, mate. You've done an excellent job.
It's good.
I don't really know what you're doing, but anyway, you've done a great job.
Now that we can see
What's what?
what's what and how it all works, that's good. And I think retrieving, we can actually retrieve in behind the mainsail down into the companionway.
Companionway, yeah.
The main hatch, so that's the perfect place.
So what's the maximum knots you'd want to be doing?
Oh, I think wind no more than about 7 for a light sail. I mean, it's pretty light. You get any more than that, you just rip the sail apart.
Okay. Okay, so the Spinnaker is down now. Got the head sail out. It's fun to clean up all these sheets are everywhere and the halyards are everywhere, so it's all a bit of fun. So I think it was a bit of a success. I think Glenn, yeah, it's a cracking day. So now it's just heading back to the marina. We didn't film the sail coming down because it's a bit hairy to do it all. Steer, film, and do the ropes. But anyway, so it's all done and successful. We're still alive. It's the main thing. Now it's just a matter of just getting back into the marina.